Welcome back to Rashad's Garage. Today I'm pulling out the trailer. Let me get this hooked up and explain to you what I'm doing right now. All right, so I got the trailer hooked up. So what I've been trying to do all day is I've been recording, deleting it, recording, deleting it. I wanted to go over how I've been buying and selling, right? So I was trying to make a video on this car. I think I went through like 10 different clips and I just deleted them all. I tried to do a sound clip and I ended up just deleting that. What I think I'm gonna do, well, pretty sure I'm gonna do this. I'm going to get a Ram. It is a 97. It's lifted. It got some miles on it, but I think it's a good candidate to flip. It has a big lift kit, fresh paint job, and AC is ice cold, and this is Arizona. I'm getting the truck for $2,300. So tomorrow I'll record me going to get it. I'll show you guys what's wrong with it, and I'll show you what I do to get it ready to sell. But since we're here, I'll give you a quick rundown on this one. I bought a 2011 GTI, two-door, 5-speed manual, sunroof, nice, the upgraded headlights, whatever. I bought that car for $3,500. I did not like that car. I've had 4 different GTIs, and that one was the worst. So I did some research. I figured out I want to try one of these out. This guy posted it. I immediately asked him, would he trade? He said yes. It took a little while, but we finally did it. The reason why this car is so special is because it's a TDI, turbo diesel. So this thing gets like 50 miles per gallon. And on top of that, it's deleted, meaning no EGR, all that emission stuff for the diesels is gone. So this car I planned on keeping, but it's a little rough, you know, like things like this. I mean, I can fix the bumper, but the bumper's kind of messed up. The rear bumper's repainted. The sunroof doesn't have a shade and it's a full panoramic. So when you're in there, I didn't want to do all this stuff to the car, and when the summer hits, it gets hot in there. So I'm like, you know what? I'd rather get a manual TDI wagon if I keep one. So this one's up for sale. So I'm in this car, $3,500. It's been sitting on the market for almost a week. So I would be happy with $4,500, make an extra $1,000, you know? So I'll keep you guys posted on this car. But yeah, this car is pretty cool though. Let's show y'all. It's actually really clean too. Let's start it. So yeah, turbo diesel. It's a good car. I'll keep you guys posted on how much I make on this one. But let me move into my driveway and I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. All right, it's the next morning and this is it. This is a 97 Ram, has the lift kit. It's a pretty clean truck. Paint's new. It looks like someone went and did the whole bottom half black, but I'm gonna see if I can get rid of that. I need to clean up these lights, but overall it's a nice truck. I'll be in it 23. I believe the repairs that need to be done to this truck are as simple as bolting that up. That's a track bar and it's loose, and then welding it and it's good to go. Let's go inside. I don't know why the windows are down. The seat's a little bad, but what do you expect for a 1997? The dash is cracked, but that's a Ram thing. That over there is a panel for this, so overall I think it's a good buy. Oh yeah, and then the hood latch, gotta figure that out too, but overall it should be a good truck. Oh, that's not the hood latch, that's a parking brake release. This is a hood. I'm blind. But yeah, so let me get it loaded on my trailer so I can get to my kid's appointment and get to work. But I got this big truck loaded. I'm gonna head to work, and then when I get home, I'm gonna do the repairs on it, and then we'll see how much it sells for. I'm hoping 35. It's a nice truck, needs a little bit of cleaning, but really hoping it sells for 35, so we'll see. All right, so I have this Ram now, the blue Ram that I'm towing right now. I'm in it for 2,300 bucks. 2,300. I'm hoping to get 35. So that's one vehicle. I have that Volkswagen. I'm in that for 35 as well. I mean, not 35 as well. I'm in that for 35. I'm hoping that Volkswagen, I can sell it for at least 4. I realized that I bought that car because it was something that I wanted, not something that would sell. So I kind of screwed myself over with that one. But I'm hoping I still can make a little $500 on it. Maybe $1,000 if someone comes and gets it for 45. But lesson learned with buying and selling, do not buy cars that you're interested in. Buy the ones that make money. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this out. Next video, it'll be a quick one. I'll do the repairs on the truck. I'll show you what's broke on it. I'll show you how I fixed it. And then after that, I'm gonna post it. And like I said before, I'll let you guys know how much the Volkswagen sells for. It's on the market right now, and it's taking some time. Like I said, don't buy cars that you want that are unique. Unique cars really don't sell. Cars that sell are cars that you see every day that people drive and you see on your daily commute to work, things of that sort. So with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Stay tuned for the next video.